If you're starting affiliate marketing right now, then chances are you're looking to make money fast. People have actually sold to you the dream of making an extra 300k or 500k or a million naira in the next month. And you're thinking, how exactly can I actually scale this affiliate marketing business with this particular product that I've been told about very fast and generate income for myself? And this is exactly what's in the mind of most people who are starting out in the online space. And most people get to realize that when they jump in, they see that things are quite different. And they really feel like, oh, I can't do this. It's very much pretty difficult and I feel like I'm scammed. No, you've not been scammed actually. But the thing is, you have not been able to follow this very simple basic steps that is required of you in order to start generating sales for yourself. Because beyond making money is the fact that you actually have to do certain things in order to start getting results. And not just doing those things, you have to judiciously and religiously follow through with every of these things in order for you to start making money from this particular channel. And this is exactly what I'm going to share with you guys in this particular video. If you can actually stick right here and watch till the very end, because every word I say is as important as it is. I'll be showing you guys the 4 major steps that you need in order to make your first affiliate sales in the next 24 hours. Yes, I mean the next 24 hours. And you really need to sit right back and make sure you watch this video if you really want to master this particular process and start making cool money with affiliate marketing. Now, the strategy I'm going to share with you guys in this particular video would also work for you if you're selling your own products in your own business. Because basically, in affiliate marketing, you are selling a product in order to actually, get commissions in sales, which is most likely going to be your profit. And same as if you're selling your digital product. So this is basically going to work for you if you're also selling your own online product. Now, with this 4-step process I'm going to share with you guys in particular video today, I'm going to be adding 2 bonus steps, which means that if you don't watch this video to the very end, then you might actually miss out on these 2 bonus steps I'm going to add here. And as well, while you're watching through this video, make sure you have a jotter and a pen to jot down things. And you should go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure you subscribe to this channel, smash on the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my videos. Now, before I actually proceed, I know that this video is going to get out to several affiliate marketers. So tell me, how long have you been doing affiliate marketing? Now, let me know in the question below how long you've been doing affiliate marketing. Basically, I'm just trying to take this quick survey to kind of plan out several content I'm going to schedule for you guys. So your comments are highly appreciated. As well, when you're dropping comments, please make sure that you do not follow up with anybody dropping contact in the comment section below. I'm going to leave all of the links to every resource you actually need in this particular video in the description of this video only, right? So if you're going to be getting to contact anybody via the comments, maybe because this person is sending you a number or whatever, then you most probably might get scammed. So beware. Now, the very first step here is finding a hot product. Now, when it comes to marketing, you must have actually heard about this hot product, hot product, hot product. And the thing is, what is a hot product? Now, a hot product basically is a product that is high in demand, right? So at every point in time, all across the year, all across the marketing season, there is a particular period of time where a product is currently in high demand. Now, if this particular product is one that is evergreen, then most probably it is in high demand over a longer period of time. Now, it is actually one of the most important things you should actually do to find a hot selling product. Now, in order to find a hot selling product, you actually need to take cognizance of the fact that you need to first start out with understanding what niche you actually want to get started with. Now, the success you're going to be getting with selling your product online would actually be determined most probably by the niche you're going to be jumping into. There are several niches out there, but then there are niches that are called evergreen niches. And these evergreen niches are basically niches that will never die, meaning that they do not run out of season. For example, there are 3 basic niches here. There is the health, there is the wealth, and there is romance, right? Romance and sex. Now, these 3 niches are actually niches that would never die, because basically every time people want to, take care of their health, they need money, and also they are going to want romance, they want sex. We are all humans, right? And due to these particular factors, you get to see that products that are actually created within these particular niches would always stay in the market for a very long period of time. And they most probably would be hot selling products. Now, once you're able to identify this particular niche and whatever niche you're going to get started with, it's also now going deep down into the product itself that are within these niches. Now, when it comes to the product itself within these niches, you actually have to go beyond just picking up any product within the niche, but looking at the product creators, the product owners, who would most probably influence the sale or the demand for that particular product, right? So if you're able to look at these particular factors, you get to realize that there are people who have more influence online, and if they have a particular product, definitely they are actually going to also influence that product, and that product is going to be high in demand, right? And if that product is high in demand, it becomes a hot selling product at that period of time. And if you're an affiliate and you're able to jump on that particular train and sell that particular product, then you are also going to make sale. Just take this for example, when Elon Musk was actually about selling his perfumes, and he actually put out a tweet. Now, this guy is very influential. We all know that, right? And because of the tweet he actually put out there, he made a lot of sales. Now, imagine if you're an affiliate for that particular sale, definitely people would actually go up on Google, people will go up on different places of social media to actually ask for that particular product and search. Now, assuming you're an affiliate for this particular product, then most likely you might actually make a couple of sales within that period of time, because there is an influence that has been passed on to that particular product, and you are able to also win or make sales from this particular influence. Now, you're going to see that this simple analogy would help you to understand what an hot product is and how you can actually get an hot product. Now, one of the basic things I actually do, especially as a beginner looking to make sales in 24 hours, is to go ahead and look out for what people are selling. Now, when I go to the market, I'm actually looking out for products that people are selling. See, we want to make sales quick actually, right? And we do not have the time to start making that very big research. Research takes time. But then I actually want to steal what people have actually done, right? And get to use their brain to start getting results for myself. I look into the market, I go into a social gathering on social media, and I'm like, what exactly is the product that people are selling at the moment? And also, what product is currently in high demand? And once I'm able to find a particular product, next thing is I pick it up and I want to start selling, right? And this leads us to the number 2 step, which is learn your product. Now, you cannot sell what you don't know about, right? So let's say you've actually been able to pick up a product. The next thing you have to do is to master this product, learn it. I always tell people, if possible, go ahead and make a purchase for this particular product, because the more you are aware of everything that is inside of that particular product, you are able to sell it better. That is basically how it works. Because at this particular point in time, you are able to craft several marketing strategies and several marketing campaigns in your head on how to actually sell that product to people. And also, it helps you to handle objections that you might actually get when you're meeting a prospect who is willing to buy that particular product at any point in time. Now, if you're able to learn this product and you have mastered everything about the product and the product owner and every information around it, then the next thing is to map out a funnel. Right? And when it comes to mapping out a funnel, because we want to make sales fast, I just tell you to go ahead and map out what we call a simple funnel. Now, a simple funnel basically starts with a landing page, and it drives people to where they get the offer which you are going to be giving your landing page, and there's an upsell which is most likely going to be the affiliate product. Now, why are we doing this very simple landing page? Because we do not have time. We want to make sales in the next 24 hours. Now, a landing page basically is a simple page where you can actually offer people a free gift in order to get their contact information. Now, we're getting contact information because definitely we want to make sales fast, but then we still want to keep on making sales consistently, right? And we understand that not everybody that falls into our funnel will buy. That's the very simple rule. So once we're able to create a landing page, we want to give a free gift. Now, what free gift are we going to be giving? The free gift we're going to give here is going to be a webinar, right? Yes, we're going to give a webinar. And in this particular webinar, we are going to be dishing out very premium content to people about the product that they are going to be buying. Right? So you have your upsell, which is the affiliate product, but in the free gift, which is the webinar you're going to be organizing, you really need to prepare a full guide on how to get started in that particular niche with that particular product. How exactly is it going to help your customers to scale, and how exactly is it going to help them to get maximum result? All right, this is exactly what they want to know. This is exactly what you want to share with them in your particular webinar. Now, in order to create your landing page, what you basically want to do is to go ahead and use system.io. System.io is a free tool that you can actually use to create several simple landing pages for free. Now, I love your landing pages because these landing pages are actually premium landing pages, but then you can access it for free and you can use it for your marketing purpose. Now, once you're able to create your funnel, the next thing for you to do is to get quality traffic through your funnel, okay? Get quality traffic. And I'm actually saying quality traffic here because there are several places and there are several ways to get traffic online, but then there's other times where you get traffic from anywhere and this traffic is basically worthless. They are not your target audience. They do not, they're not able to afford what you're selling, and you're just wasting time doing a whole lot of things. Now, I'm going to say this real quick because This actually is where many people suffer. They are able to do every other thing, but then they fail to get the right traffic that will most likely buy their product on the long run. Right? And what exactly you can do in order to make your sale in the next 24 hours from you launching your affiliate marketing business is to leverage on people, right? Look around in your circle. Who are those people who already have some level of tractions, who already have some level of influence, and are able to help you with getting traffic? Now, once you're able to see 1, 2, or 3 persons who have this level of tractions, who have this level of influence, and you know that, oh, if this person is able to push my funnel link out there, I am going to get quality leads and traffic. Then basically you want to actually go ahead and reach out to them, right? You want to reach out to them, network with them, and you can actually get to ask. But before you get to ask, I'm going to take you back to this particular phrase, which is give, give, and ask. What exactly can you give someone, right? What exactly can you give to this particular person? Right? Because if you're unable to give them anything, then basically it also falls back on you, and it's like, why exactly should I help you? Right? What exactly am I getting from you? So you should actually figure out what these people really need at this point in time and help them solve a simple problem. Now, once you're able to help them solve a problem, then you have the opportunity to ask, and they are willing to assist you with sharing whatever link you have to share. Now, this link is to your funnel, and definitely you know that yes, you are getting quality traffic through your funnel. Now, another thing you can actually do is to look for people who run ads, right? There are people who run mini ads. It could be on WhatsApp or on Twitter. They have the influence, they have the audience, right? And they run mini ads, and you can actually get to reach out to them, right? And you pay for these ads. Now, even though I would say that starting affiliate marketing is with zero capital, this is one of the minimum capital you can actually put in order to invest in getting quality traffic that will give you sales. Now, once you're able to pay these people for the mini ads, they push it out there and you start getting quality traffic. Now, this quality traffic, it is easier to close them because they are already aware of the problem. They just need someone that actually can, show them how to get results, and they get to jump on the offer, okay? And this is where your webinar comes in, and your webinar is only going to be better, and you're going to be more confident in your webinar if you have actually followed step 2, which is mastering and learning your product. Because in this webinar, you're going to be sharing insights on how people can actually get results with the product you are selling. Okay, and once you're able to finish up the webinar, you can now put in your upsell, which is most probably going to be your affiliate link or the link to your product, and then direct people to go and buy. I can actually tell you that yes, people are going to go ahead and buy, and you're going to make your first sale within the next 24 hours after you followed through these 4 simple processes. But then there are 2 other things I said I'm going to share with you guys, because these 2 things are also going to, add to what you are going to be able to achieve, or the kind of result you're going to be getting within that period of time, 24 hours. And even after that time, because we don't just want to make money in 24 hours and then we go. We want to consistently make money with affiliate marketing over time, right? But before we go ahead and share that, guys, it's also cool that you are aware of the university that we are about launching very soon. Now, this is the Online Income University, and here you're going to be getting access to over 50 courses that would teach you how to start and scale your online business, right? There are going to be several free courses and several masterclasses taught by myself and different other coaches online. So basically, you actually want to be one of the first persons who want to get access to these several courses. I mean, several courses in different, niches, in different aspects of marketing and sales and making money online and all of this, all inside of the Online Income University. And you can actually be the first person to get access to this. But right now, you want to go ahead and use the first link in the description to get access to the waiting list. And you can actually jump in right now and sign up and get to wait until when we get to launch this university, and you can access every of the courses that are available for you in this particular space. Now, I'm going back to these 2 bonus tips I'm going to share with you. And one, it's understanding that this is a numbers game. Okay, now if you're going to be getting quality traffic, you're going to understand that the more quality traffic that you are going to be getting into your funnel, the more chances that you're going to make more money, you're going to get more results, right? Sales is a numbers game basically. And due to the fact that you are not really experienced with closing at this point in time, I say it as a beginner, you're not really experienced in closing at this point in time. What you cannot do with your skill, you have to do it with numbers, right? So what you basically want to do is to go ahead and increase the number of people flowing into your funnel for that particular webinar. Now, when others are doing 50 people, 100 people, please go ahead and double it. Do 200, do 300, right? Because this actually increases your chances of getting more results in this period of time. Okay, that's the first. And the second one is create a follow-up system. Now, a follow-up system basically allows you to follow up with your audience over time. Now, the reason you have a follow-up system is due to the fact that not everybody is going to pay for that particular program or product you're selling within 24 hours, right? And since not everybody is paying, they might actually want to pay. Maybe they don't have enough cash, they're waiting for their salary at the end of the month, or their card to make payment at that time was not working, or they didn't have network to follow up with the webinar till the very end. Okay, you get to create a follow-up system where you can actually set up an email automation, right, with GetResponse. And once you're able to do this, you set up series of emails that can follow people up over and over and over again. And with this, you can make sales over time. Now, in order to consistently make sales, one is setting up a follow-up system that follow-ups with the audience you already have in your funnel, and they are able to close over time. And two is to consistently repeat this every other day. Now, if you can't do it every day, go ahead and do it every week, right? But the thing is, the more the frequency, the more the result you're getting, and the more you actually build yourself, grow yourself, and you make better results for yourself. Now, this is actually a very simple step process. And if you love this video, guys, share with me 2 things you have learned in this particular video. Drop it in the comment section below for me. Yeah, just drop it in the comment section below. 2 things. What have you learned in this particular video? Share that in the comment section below for me. And you can also go ahead and access my online Boss Academy program, where I walk you through the step-by-step process on getting started and scaling with affiliate marketing, right? I share all of this with you and share with you all of my personal secrets on how I've been able to generate over $500,000 with affiliate marketing. Yeah, go ahead right now and click. The link is in the description. Once you access this particular product, you go ahead and make purchase. Okay, so go ahead and click the link in the description below and access my online Boss Academy as well. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel. Push on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. With this, guys, I'll be seeing you in my next video. Peace.